Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Bitcoin has added 3.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator has bounced upwards into the overbought zone. The euro-dollar pair has gained 0.6% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator has skyrocketed into positive territory. The sterling-dollar pair has added 0.4% in the last session. The CCI has transitioned into overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has gained 0.7% in the last session. The Williams indicator has transitioned into the overbought zone.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Auto Safety Agency said it is investigating a crash in Detroit involving a Tesla that became wedged underneath a tractor trailer and left a passenger in critical condition. British shares slipped, dragged by miners and energy stocks, as investors awaited the outcome of the U.S. Federal Reserve's policy meeting for clues about interest rates. European stocks closed lower as global investors awaited the outcome from the latest meeting of the Federal Reserve.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The UK's monetary policy summary will be released at 1200 GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index at 2330 GMT. The U.S. initial jobless claims at 1230 GMT. The U.S. continuing jobless claims will be released at 1230 GMT. Spain's 30-year bond auction at 940 GMT. The Eurozone's labor cost at 1000 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.